Hello everyone. So this is a question from JEE Mains 2026 6th April Shift 2. Consider the following organic reaction sequence. Choose the final product X from the following and consider the major product in all the intermediate reactions. Okay. So this is our starting compound and we are subjecting it to few reagents and then we are getting major product X. So we have to determine the structure of X. Okay. So the chapters involved is aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acid and amines. Okay. So we are starting with CH3, CH2, COOH. That is this guy, which is propanoic acid. Okay. So I will write down its structure: CH3, CH2, COOH. So this is propanoic acid. Okay. So it is reacting with the first set of reagents, that is NH3 and heat. Okay, so we should know that when treated with ammonia, carboxylic acids form ammonium salts, which upon heating lose a molecule of water to form amides. Okay, important. When treated with NH3, carboxylic acids form ammonium salts, which upon heating lose a molecule of water to form amides. Okay, that is, with respect to reaction, I can write CH3, CH2, COOH plus NH3. So I will get CH3, CH2, COO minus and NH4 plus. So NH3 being basic will get a hydrogen and hence it forms NH4 plus and CH3, CH2, COO minus. Okay. This guy upon heating will lose a molecule of water to eventually give us CH3, CH2, C double bond O, NH2. Okay. So this is our propanoic acid and this guy is our propionamide. Important. Okay. And also a molecule of water. So then propionamide, that is this guy, is reacting with the second set of reagents, that is NaOH and Br2. Okay. So we should know that when a 1 degree amide or a primary amide, in our case propionamide is a primary amide. Okay, so when 1 degree amide is treated with solution of sodium hydroxide and bromine, it gives a primary amine which has one carbon less than the original amide. Okay, so this guy has one carbon less than this amide that we started with. Okay, so this is the famous Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction. Okay, so with respect to reaction, I can write CH3, CH2, CONH2 plus Br2 plus NaOH. So I will get CH3, CH2, NH2 plus there will be side products Na2CO3 plus NaBr plus H2O. Okay. Upon balancing, I will have a 4 here, I will have a 2 here and also a 2 here. Okay. So this is propionamide, it has 3 carbon. This is ethylamine and you can see this has 1 carbon less, it has 2 carbon. Okay, cool. Then ethylamine, that is this guy, is reacting with the third set of reagents, that is HNO2 and H2O at 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we should know that aliphatic primary amines, very important, aliphatic primary amines, for example ethylamine, in our case CH3, CH2, NH2, react with cold nitrous acid, that is HNO2, at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius to form alcohols. Important. with the evolution of nitrogen gas. Okay, with respect to reaction, I can write aliphatic 1 degree amine that we have is CH3 CH2 NH2. It is reacting with HONO. Temperature should be between 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. So we will get the alcohol CH3 CH2OH plus nitrogen plus water. Okay, so this is our ethanol or ethyl alcohol. Okay, so be careful. If there was a 1 degree aromatic amine instead of a aliphatic amine, in similar conditions we would have got diazonium salts here, okay, and not alcohol. So be careful. Then ethyl alcohol or ethanol is reacting with the fourth set of reagents C6H5N2 plus Cl minus, okay, at 0 degree Celsius. Okay, so we should know that arene diazonium salts, important, arene diazonium salts. So in our case, the arene diazonium salt that they have given us is benzene ring N triple bond N, positive charge here, and Cl minus. So this is the arene diazonium salt that they have given to us, and the name of this guy is benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, so we should know that arene diazonium salts, when heated with ethanol, the diazo group, that is this particular group, is replaced by hydrogen. So instead of this group, we will have a hydrogen. Okay, that is with respect to reaction, I can write benzene diazonium chloride N positive charge triple bond N Cl minus plus CH3 CH2OH. So this whole group is replaced by an H. So we will get, this is nothing but our benzene, because obviously there are hydrogens here, we don't show them, and instead of this group we have a H now, so therefore this is our benzene. And there are certain side products, so we get nitrogen, HCl, and also CH3CHO. Okay, so therefore the major product X finally that we get is benzene. Okay, so this X is nothing but benzene. Okay, thank you.